There's a point you actually just get to, and all you're trying to do is just better your trading. Ensure that indeed you have an edge. And because of you seeking for knowledge, don't get this into complex yourself. Better to just get a particular person that your personality resonates with. Stick with that person, whatever the person is teaching, but just devote yourself to it and give yourself to it. Good day from whatever part of the country or whatever country you're watching me from. It's actually the middle of the month. It's 14, today's 14 and tomorrow is 15. That's middle of November already, and looking back since the year started, for me I would say this year is actually a year full of a lot of lessons to actually learn, a lot of lessons, a lot of exposure, self-improvement was actually done this year. And I kind of feel most traders actually this year, for some traders, it's a very very tough one for them, and most trader actually lost motivation to what they want. They want they want to enjoy doing. They went through a series, let me not say a series, let me say they went through a series of drawdown, and it actually puts them in a very very tight spot a lot. So the beginning of this year for me, it was very very good, but January, February, March was very 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 good. April came, it was full of ups and downs. What actually really saved me was I don't overtrade. That's one thing that actually saved me through April, May, June, July. Those 4 months. What actually saved me was I don't overtrade. That's what saved me during this 4 months. So I had to take a pause for April, May, June, July, August now. August, September actually just took break, and I just went back trying to figure out what was wrong. Then I actually came to a conclusion that the market condition doesn't actually fit the kind of strategy I'm actually trading. That was the conclusion I could settle down with, and it's just a phase. There's another phase coming, and that actually just made me remember like there are actually some videos I actually watched, and the trader was like for close to a year he was not even in profit at all, bro. I was like, how is this possible? That the whole year was just full of drawdown for him. I was like, wow. Well, going through series of up and down for 4 months consistently, bro, it's a lot. Let's just say you have two wins, a loss, two wins, a loss, two losses, a win. It's just a roller coaster like that. And I would just say what I really learned this year was not controlling one's emotion, not over trading, not revenge trading as well. Because there was this instance that I think I shared it now. Yes, I shared it in one of my videos. Yeah, one of my videos, and I just had to shut down after that. After I actually tried revenge trading and actually hurt me badly, I actually stopped trading and just moved to correction mode just to reset my brain, and it really actually helped. And one of the reasons that actually made me start this series called the Regaining Motivational series was actually because of the series of drawdown. I'll tell you, this is the very first time I'm going to be going through a, let me see, probably it's the longest of me having a drawdown, like having a drawdown, like my account was kind of sitting at break even. You just go up, come down, go up, come down. That was just the experience. So it was just in the middle, just break even, a little bit below break even, a little bit above, come back to break even. That was just how it was this year. And I was saying something before. What was I saying? Yeah, so not over trading, beginning the right consciousness to actually trade, and trust me, it helps a lot, bro. And of course, I preach a lot about having no over trading, having a trading plan. Of recently, a very close friend of mine actually got an account, a 5K account funded as proprietary firm now. He got the account, and actually within 4 days, bro, I would have breached the account. And what was he doing? He actually had wins. They had, at least at the point, the account was up $200, and the next day a guy just a guy just, he carried away by, let me just pass this thing very very fast, and he actually breached the account. He met he violated the rule, the maximum daily drawdown limit. He violated that, and after actually setting back, and now he has to reset the account with a total of $33. And we were just having a discussion, and we are talking about just having a discussion of what really happened and how we can actually improve as a trader. And one of the things that he actually settles down with as well was that he was number one, emotional, carried away with his emotion. Let me just get this thing done quickly and just move to the next phase, which is not done. It is not done that way. And the another thing, he doesn't have a solid trading plan. He was just taking trades as the trades kept coming. And one of the things the market does is it will always present an opportunity for you. At all times it's going to present an opportunity. It is your edge. It is now less for you to let your edge play out and you just follow whatever your edge is saying you should do at a particular point in time. But if you don't have a trading plan, that's what is most likely going to happen to you. Very solid. And bro, this year that has happened, and we actually just have to be grateful. Actually have to be grateful. That's one thing. And so every trader, whether beginning trader, advanced trader, intermediate trader, going through a bad trading experience currently, just know it's actually just for the moment. And actually there are some things you are meant to learn currently, and make sure you learn them during this time, because these periods are periods that are going to humble you, and that's it. You don't even have to be proud as a trader. Humility is one thing that you have to learn. No being just being reserved. Exactly, not just being reserved. You have to boast too much. Trading actually comes with a lot of pressure, but you boasting, and you're not able to meet up with the expectations people now have from you. It's going to put you under a lot of pressure, and at that point in time you can just do things irrationally, and it's going to hurt you badly. So that's one of the things you have to just take note of, and just make sure you, this period, probably November, December, just take this period and just probably give yourself to back testing. Just check back what were the things that were going on that was not even paying attention to. Pay attention to them, back test, and everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be fine. That's just it. I feel there's a point you actually just get to in trading, and you'll be like, bro, I'm not even concerned about getting fast returns or just blah 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 blah, getting it fast, bro. There's a point you actually just get to, and all you want to do is just, you are seeing long term, you are thinking long term, you are not thinking short term. So I think that's the phase I'm actually in now, making sure indeed I have an edge and everything is paying out as, and discipline level is actually increased. I think that's the level I'm in now. And if of course you are seeing trading as long term, so you should also be devoted to that kind of thing. Just shut down from the noise and be grounded in work. You have to do the work. One thing that is easy to do is not just take trades, and where the real work is you back testing your system, bro. That's where the real work lies. Because it's not easy backtesting like 5 years data, 2 years data, even a year data is actually a lot. It's actually a lot, bro. Backtesting, and that's where the real work is. You know, I feel there is a phase every that we actually reach, and you see, bro, let me just shut down. Let me get this thing right once and for all. And after that phase is done, it's going to be magic from there. That's what I believe. So go for knowledge, keep waiting out for knowledge, bury yourself in seeking for knowledge, like a lot of knowledge now. And in the quest of you seeking for knowledge, don't get this thing too complex yourself. Better still, just get a particular person that your personality resonates with. Stick with that person, whatever the person is teaching, but just devote yourself to it and give yourself to it. instead of you just finding like three, just find one so you won't be confused and you won't just end up messing everything up for yourself. You've seen this video up until this extent, just give a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel, and I guess that will be all for now. And make sure you always go beyond, and make sure you stay motivated, stay grounded in the work, and see you in the next one.